Hey guys, today was a really good post day. I just received my very first set of Tacto samples from Shifu. Now what's Tacto, I hear you ask? Well, if you haven't seen the videos that I've been posting before, Tacto is Shifu's take on board games. So what they've done is they've ripped up the board and they've said we don't want that. Everybody's got a tablet device, so let's use that instead and let's bring that into the game. Let's have the tablet be the board, and that's what Tacto does, and it's amazing. Okay, so basically what we have in each set, this is Tacto Classics. There are 3 games in this one: Ludo, Checkers and Snakes and Ladders. We have these figurines, but what you'll see is if I show you the underside of these figurines, they each have their own individual footprint. And that is recognised by the Tacto app. When the figurines are placed on the game board, the game can progress. So laser is all about the principles of light, about the principles of reflection, refraction. It's teaching kids critical thinking. They have to use mirrors and they have to use prisms to refract light and to move the game on. Every one of these games is compatible with a smart tablet device. It doesn't have to be an iPad, it can be an Android device as well. I mean, I can't wait to get hands on. I'm just finishing off downloading the app and I will be back very shortly with a demo.